Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by authorizing both services so files can flow. Sign into OneDrive and finish its initial desktop setup because local sync simplifies conflicts. Next, sign into Google Drive in the same browser or grant API access in your transfer app. Once done, connect both accounts inside the Cloud Transfer tool or configure rClone with OAuth credentials. This step gets credentials and cursors ready, so the actual file movement will run reliably without manual downloading. Now you map folder structures so OneDrive reflects how you organize work. In the app, choose target folders and enable preserve timestamps and metadata. Make sure you pick copy if you want Google Drive intact. If you use rClone, build a filter file to include or exclude patterns, then run a dry run to inspect changes. Once the test folder copies cleanly, scale to larger folders and schedule batches to avoid throttling or local bandwidth spikes during business hours. Finish by verifying critical documents using timestamps or checksums to confirm integrity. You should scan for conflicts and decide whether to keep the latest version or merge manually. Make sure to empty any temporary transfer folders afterward. If something goes wrong, reauthorize both accounts first, then review error logs for API rate limits or permission denials. Once fixed, resume only failed items to avoid duplicates. This approach ensures a clean final state and minimal disruption to your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.